It's got like matching shorts that he kind of wears, like plaid shorts. Thought that was the cutest thing ever. Hey friends, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today's video is going to be a part of the nesting series that I've been giving out to you guys. I don't know if I even titled it as such at the beginning, but then I realized the area that I keep showing you, which is the nursery, has so many, there's just so much to do in there that I might as well make it into series, because it's just gonna be one giant project and it will take entirely way too long to get it all done. So hopefully you guys have been seeing and watching the first portions of that I've been putting out, you know, where I was basically on the hunt for all the previous neutral baby clothing that I thought I may have had stashed from my last baby. I found that, and then it was really just about going through and picking out what I could find, and that was actually quite a bit of a success. I still feel like I'm going to be going through it, purging it down. So we're on to the next segment in this video, and what this segment is just going to be like basically organized with me. So what I need to do is kind of go through the containers, decide what I'm keeping, what I'm not, and parting with them. What I'm not keeping, I'll just send to the consignment shop, and what I'm gonna keep, I'm gonna try to fold neatly and pack it just better than it was before, because before they were all kind of just dumped in the bin, and I just want them to be packed a little neater. I feel like it will save a lot of space doing that, and I think that will just be better overall. Also, I wanted to show you guys a couple of things that hubby and I recently picked up from Babies R Us. We went in there because I had to pick up something for my sister. She's also having a baby, so they had something that I wanted to grab, and then they had a whole bunch of baby boy clothes which were on sale, which was really cool. So I'm going to show you guys a bunch of the stuff that I picked out for him right now, and I do also have a few other hauls coming at you guys. So I know I'm like going against the grain. I said I wasn't going to do a lot of shopping, but I ended up doing so, and I'm going to show you guys a few of the things. So a few of the things that we picked up for him, being that, like I said, a lot of the usual stuff that baby girl had wouldn't have exactly been outfits. They were more like sleepers and onesies. So hubby and I picked up a few things for him, and these ones here are in 6 months. We did grab a few things that are newborn. So we picked him up this here. You guys see that? Oh, and it's got like matching shorts that hubby would kind of well, it's got like matching shorts that he kind of wears, like plaid shorts. Thought that was the cutest thing ever. The next thing we picked up for him was this. It's this lion outfit, lion safari type outfit with the shorts, and then of course it came with this onesie, and it says little guy big roar, and we both thought that was really cute. If you guys missed one of my other hauls, you would have seen that I had picked up a couple rompers for him, and that was at Joe Fresh, because Joe Fresh had a sale. And yeah, I found this one for him, and I thought it was so cute. This was $9.98, and oh my bad, this was $9.98. This was $14.98 for the set. This one was, this one was $12.98. All the clothing that I'm showing you from Babies R Us are the Carter's. They are the Carter's brand, and like I said, they're on sale. So all those things that I showed you were actually size 6 months. And we picked them up some size 0 and newborn sleepers, and they came in packages of 2. So there's that one. And the theme for these are perfect because they're like winter-based babies. Yeah, it's gonna be for the winter. I just want to point out that I stuck with getting sleepers with the zipper. So that's one thing I'm actually gonna go through with baby girl. I was so caught up in the moment and so overjoyed that I wasn't being picky when I went shopping. I just picked up things, but now I feel like I can be a little bit more selective and buy exactly what I need and what I know is ideal. It's ideal to have zipped sleepers because at night when you wake up, no one wants to be fiddling with buttons and all that stuff. So I definitely prefer the zippers. And yeah, we have like 2 more. So then we also grabbed this one. This is a Nike brand. I think it was about $15 for this one. And it is size 0 to 3 months. And once again, it has a zipper. And then we picked up these 2. Just very cute. I think they were on sale for $9.99 and they all have zippers. We got him this cute little blanket, just kind of like a blanket to throw over his car seat come winter, even though I did buy one of the gender neutral car seat cover things. The one that I bought, I don't know, it's so hard. I wasn't like sold on it, but you guys will see it in an upcoming haul. I wasn't exactly sold on it, but it was like the only one that they had that was like for a boy. Anyways, now I'm gonna take you guys into the room and we'll see the disaster that's in there. You guys can watch me kind of fold and try to get this room together. You guys, so we're taking a quick little break from upstairs because I couldn't get it all done in time before supper. Oh my gosh, my house is so loud because I've got a toddler in the background. But the family are having fish and chips, and I'm not having that because I have to be careful of the salt. So that said, I'm just making myself somewhat of like a chili, but not, because there's not a lot of sauce in there. Basically like a bean mixture, which I'm gonna have with some potatoes and maybe a little salad on the side. Obviously this meal is not like a one supper thing. There's gonna be a lot of leftovers. I've recruited help again. I've got my eldest over there. I've got my eldest over there. She's chopping up potatoes, and yeah, the plan is for me to go back upstairs to finish that work. So hopefully that happens. Guys, we just got to the end of folding up all these clothes. The room is looking a bit like a disaster right now because we have this bin that we still kind of have to go through, but I don't have to do that right now. This just consists of like all the clothes that don't fit baby girl. They're from like 18 to 24 months. Here I found some, what do you call it, wipe warmers that I'm getting out for him. I just have the rug rolled back for the time being because it was interfering with the door open, and I couldn't bend to pull it all the way back. The bed no longer has any clothes on it, and this corner is all cleaned up, so these are all empty. They're going to be getting out of the room, which is great. And this is the bin that we kind of organized. So overall, it's actually not that bad. Overall, it's really just a matter of just clearing all that stuff out. Oh, I forgot to show you guys another thing. I was actually kind of going through these. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 of them are empty. This one is not. I actually just took the cover off of this to see what it would look like if I were to keep this change table unit in here, which I don't intend to. I don't intend to because the dresser that we bought is fairly big. It's also very sturdy, so we're thinking it should be able to do what we need it to do without having to have the change table in here as well. And then I'll put this change pad on top of that dresser. So that's the plan for now. I wish everything was all together so I could show it to you, but it's not yet. So stay tuned for the next part where I'm basically going to be taking down all of the things around in this room and prepping it. So maybe in that video you guys will get to see me painting it as well. We'll see what happens, but hope you guys enjoyed this little bit of a clean with me, or fold with me. I don't know what it is, but it's just nesting in general. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, and subscribe, and until next time, much love.